Welcome to WritersER, where we peel back the layers of academic writing and research to reveal the core strategies that can turn your years of hard work into a lucrative venture. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that resonates with every graduate student: how to transform your research into a money-making machine. Imagine leveraging your dissertation or thesis not just as a ticket to your academic degree, but as a springboard into financial stability and success. The journey of doctoral and master's students is often marked by financial constraints. Yet, within your research lies untapped potential for income, innovation, and industry collaboration. Let's explore how you can elevate your research beyond the academic realm and into the marketplace. Have you considered the potential market demand for your research topic? How could your findings address real-world problems and generate revenue? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Firstly, consider the commercial viability of your research topic from the outset. Is there a problem you're solving that has market demand? Can your findings be turned into a product, service, or consultancy? This mindset shift from purely academic to commercially aware can significantly influence the direction and outcome of your research. One of the most straightforward paths to monetizing your research is through publishing. While academic publications are a rite of passage, think beyond traditional journals. Ebooks, how-to guides, and even self-publishing platforms offer avenues to sell your expertise directly to interested audiences. Additionally, consider contributing to industry-specific publications where you can command higher fees for your insights. How do you plan to leverage your expertise to secure paid speaking engagements? Let us know your strategies in the comments. Leveraging your research for speaking engagements is another lucrative strategy. Conferences, workshops, and seminars are constantly in search of fresh, authoritative voices. By positioning yourself as an expert in your field, you can secure paid speaking opportunities. Start by offering webinars or workshops based on your research. This not only builds your reputation, but also opens doors to paid speaking gigs. Consulting is a direct way to monetize your expertise. Businesses, nonprofit organizations, and even government agencies are often willing to pay for specialized knowledge that can help them solve complex problems. Use your dissertation or thesis as a portfolio to showcase your capabilities and pitch your services to potential clients. Developing a course or a series of educational materials based on your research is another excellent way to generate income. Online education platforms are booming, and there's a high demand for niche, expert-led content. Whether it's a comprehensive online course, a series of workshops, or even tutoring services, your research can provide the foundation for educational products that people are willing to pay for. Don't overlook the power of grants and fellowships. While traditionally seen as funding sources during your research, they can also be leveraged post-graduation. Look for opportunities where your completed research can be further developed or applied in practical settings. This can provide not just financial support, but also additional validation of your work's value. As we wrap up, think about the broader impact of your research. Every chapter, every finding, every conclusion holds potential, not just for academic advancement, but for real-world application and financial gain. What aspect of your research do you believe holds the most commercial potential? Comment your thoughts below. Let's inspire and support each other in turning our academic efforts into financial success. If you're ready to take your research to the next level and explore its money-making potential, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER. Your engagement helps us continue to provide insightful content that empowers you through your academic journey and beyond. Remember, your research is more than just a paper or a project. It's a valuable asset that can open doors to numerous opportunities. With the right approach and mindset, you can elevate your work from the library shelves to the marketplace, turning your academic achievements into a thriving career.